The countdown to the 2025 NAB Show is underway, and briefly continues to highlight what various vendors are set to showcase at the show. But first, an update on the show itself. This year's layout will differ 2024 due to the changes in the LVCC halls occupied, as indicated by the NAB Show's official floor plan. With the central hall closed for reconstruction, the show floor will span the West Hall, the reconstructed North Hall, and the South Hall lower level. Transfers between the South Hall and the West Hall will be facilitated via the Hyperloop, while North Hall and West Hall will be connected by a walkway.
The Latvia-based Veset company is integrating main concept's JPEG XS SDK into its playout solution in order to deliver live TV with minimal latency. JPEG XS supports high bit rates, up to 200 megabits per second and more, making it ideal for live production, broadcast studios, and video networks. Adding the SDK to Veset Nimbus enables the solution to handle both input and output over IP networks, as well as be compliant with SMPT 2110 and VSF TR07. Through the partnership, Nimbus users can also benefit from main concept encoders for both H.264 AVC and H.265 HEVC. It is highly likely that NAB Show attendees will have the opportunity to explore this integration at Veset's booth W1332, located in the West Hall of LVCC.
This newscast is not limited solely to NAB Show news. Euronews has reported that 2024 was profitable for the first time in a decade. During this period, Euronews sold its headquarters in Lyon and moved to a new central newsroom in Brussels, among other challenges that exposed problems for the broadcaster. However, several new services were launched, including a new Polish language service on television and digital channels, as well as 2 further Euronews franchise channels set to open later this year in Bosnia and Herzegovina and Montenegro, followed by 2 more later in 2025. Euronews also announced that in 2024 it achieved an unprecedented 31.5 million monthly active users and 1.06 billion page views across its digital platforms in 2024, marking an all-time high in audience reach.
Genelec has significantly expanded its international installed sound team with the appointment of Anthony Berry as sales support engineer and Andrew Glassmacher as U.S. sales manager. In these newly created roles, Berry will focus on developing the Genelec installed sound brand globally, while Glassmacher will support contractors, consultants, and architects across the U.S., as well as build and nurture new business relationships and accounts. Berry will collaborate with Genelec's global distribution partners and contribute to product development, training, and marketing activities within the installed sound segment. Glassmacher, on the other hand, will oversee the effective implementation of Genelec installed sound technology in the U.S. and drive Genelec's continued growth in this important market.
DOPchoice has launched Spill Killer, designed to prevent light leakage and ensure a clean, professional look for set or location lighting. The elegantly designed butterfly frame covers consist of 2 L-shaped light stoppers that slip easily onto the rim of a butterfly or frost frame, completely sealing light spillage and eliminating undesirable edges between a scrim, grid, or flag. With the Spill Killer in place, telltale shadows from ties or elastic and the frame structure securing the diffusion or flag are eliminated. Available in 4 feet by 4 feet, 6 feet by 6 feet, 8 feet by 8 feet, and 12 foot by 12 foot sizes, with 20 foot by 20 foot coming soon. Each Spill Killer is reversible with a black side and a white side that can be flipped depending on a scenario's requirements. These quick setup shields attach securely via magnets which are stitched inside the cover to protect the surface of the diffusion, bounce, or flag.
Nanlite has introduced the Evoke 5000B, the world's first 5,000-watt stormproof LED bicolor spotlight with green magenta adjustment. This advanced fixture delivers powerful output with a 5,000-watt power draw, a color temperature range of 2,700 to 6,500 K, plus minus 80 green magenta adjustment, excellent light quality, an IP66 rating, and a self-developed Nebula B4 light engine, all integrated into one unit. It also supports a variety of control methods, making it ideal for professional productions. The Nanlite Evoke 5000B features a yoke with a disc brake, a balance adjusting rail, and a skid for added safety and versatility. The fixture introduces a unique 95-degree beam angle and offers exceptional dimming control using multiple methods, including onboard controls, external wired or wireless controllers, the Nanlite app, DMX RDM, Lumen Radio CRMX, ArtNet, and more. Its optimized cooling management and compatibility with the complete NL mount accessory ecosystems further enhance the Evoke 5000 BS efficiency and adaptability.
Dear colleagues, if you want your news to be included in briefly, please contact us in the comments. Let's make news together.